You have a hype train? Thank you for that, Ambra. That worked with the dogs. Thank you for the hype train, everybody. That's so sweet. I appreciate you so much. You know you don't have to do that. I know you don't have to do that. So it means so much to me. Stage, thank you for the 300 bits. Oh my god. Flora, thank you for the 40 bits. Maddie, thank you for the 5 gifted subs to Nalastasia, Big D, Jess, Bad Info, and Squid Riddle. Oh my god, what's happening? I don't know if I have a countdown or a cooldown on this, but thank you so much. Yay! What the frick is happening? Is that just a delayed alert? I hope so, yes. Okay. Hope you're having a great day. Just got a 4-hour long combo with Simply Safe. We need some hyping up, yes. Yes, it's September. Stage! What the fuck? You just gifted 20 subs? Oh my god. Ryan, Snoopy, Griffin, Misculini, Groll, Said, Sir Panda, Catfinated Destiny, oh that's a cool username, Purple Dreadlocks, Wickedest, Override, Astoreth, Fluffmeister, Endless Ragnarok, Fun to Watch Games, Stone to Bone, I love that username, Just Lucky 71, Bexy, Snazzy, Azzy, wait, what is happening? Ketchup, thank you for the 20 tier 1 gifted subs to the fancy Whooper, Lobo, Dead Gnome, Pariah, Volk, Yoki, Karis, Same, Udon. I hope that's how I'm supposed to say that. Kepi, Unkindled Soul, Salt of the Heavens, Sleepy Dude, Van Brew, Terror Skull, Charna, On, Bucky, yay, Bucky got a sub, Sin, Kengi, Trevor, welcome to the Cauldron, everybody. Oh my god, level 5 hype train it up, 542%. Hold on, I gotta get a sub hype in. Hey, make a noise, tomato. Welcome. Thank you so much. Oh my god, we gotta do another choo-choo. Oh my god, thank you all. How does that put us for September? 247 out of 300? Can we do it? Can we do it, Bat Chat, with 6 days left in September and only 3 of those days will be live? Can we do it? Do you think we can do it? That train has me dying. Alright, so thank you so much for the hype train. I appreciate you so much. I know that you have tons of other options of streamers to hang out with and spend time with and support. So thank you so much for being here with me today. It means a lot. Alright, let's see how the poll's doing, if I can. My gosh, 542%. I can't even see the results of the poll. Can anybody tell me what won? Do I need to eat here real quick while you play some words? Amra, thank you so much for that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You're gonna make me cry. You're gonna make me cry. It's coming. It's coming. Look what you did. What is happening? Stop it. Stage. that just ate shit. I've never seen a hype train that high before, I don't think. I have to get a screenshot of that. Oh my god, thank you so much for being so supportive. I appreciate you so much, Stage Haunted. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Don't eat? Okay, that's fine. We can stream, we can play a little bit. Oh my god. Never underestimate chat. I never underestimate